Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, we're going into the kitchen. This time, we're going to do the Belizean Fry Jack with a twist. We have to look at the video to see the twist. Oh my god guys, my mom been asking for this video for a minute. Yes, she's been asking for this video. She asked for another one too, but we'll do that after that. But anyway guys, let's go into the kitchen and do some fried jack. In the other part of the Caribbean, I think they call it bake. It's the same, pretty much the same way you prepare the fried jack. We prepare the fried jack is the same way I think they prepare the bake. So let's go into the kitchen and we'll be serving it, we'll be having it with some fried beans. I put on a pot of fresh beans for my fried beans. Yes, so we'll have fried jack with fried beans. And I know, I know all of my Belizean followers know what I'm talking about. Yes, because that's our breakfast at home. And for all my other followers, yes guys, you can try it too. And take yourself to the Caribbean, hello. Right in the kitchen. Mom, this video is yours. Yes. Let's go into the kitchen and do some fried jack. Okay guys, this is all my stuff for my fried jack. This is Belizean Fry Jack. Most of the Caribbean, they have, they call it bake, but it's pretty much the same. It's my whole wheat flour. And all the ingredients and measurements will be in the description below. Baking powder. You just put everything in here, guys. You could also do this in your food processor, but I'm not using a food processor today. It's my salt. And this is coconut oil. Alright. And guys, this is the twist part of my fried jack, is chicken broth, low sodium chicken broth. That's not what you guys thought, right? Okay, we'll start by combining everything together and pour. Okay, pour the chicken broth a little at a time. Low sodium chicken broth. You can use vegetable broth, beef broth, water, coconut milk is what we normally would use. Is coconut milk. Okay, I had to add more chicken broth only because I had a 1.5, but look like I need 2 cups. Okay, add the liquid a little at a time, guys. Okay, guys, normally I would do this the night before. Oh, little frisky here. Oh, I think I put a little bit too much broth in there. Let's see. Yes, normally I would do this the night before because I love the taste of the overnight dough. Oh, guys. You guys need to try it. Alright. Looking good there, girl. Looking good, looking good. Okay, normally I would use all-purpose flour alone, but today I'm using whole wheat flour and the all-purpose flour. There we go. Yeah. Alright, there we go. To remove the flour off your hands, you just use a little bit more of the dry flour. And we are good to go. Let me clear this off. So now we'll transfer the dough to the table and then knead it out a little bit more. And then we're going to portion them off. Okay guys, I was looking for my dough cutter, but I have no idea what to do with it. I swear that thing keep appearing and disappearing. I think I need to put a bell on it. Alright, so I'm going to portion these off and then we'll set it aside to rest. And then we'll start to fry, but in the meantime, because I'm serving this with some fried beans, I have some fresh red beans on. I think it already finished off. I had it in the Instapot. So I'm gonna, while this is resting, I'm gonna go and cut up my onions and stuff for the fried beans. If you have the canned refried beans, do you, boo? No judgment over here. No. So we'll have that for breakfast. Mom and I will be having that for breakfast. And my sister will be so envious. And my brother. Oh, I know TJ will be like, wait, hold up. What? Where's mine? You didn't pack mine? Alright, guys. There they are. And then I am going to cover these up and let them sit for a few minutes. Let me go and cut up my onions. And we'll be right back. Okay, guys. my fresh fried beans. It's nice and soft. Okay, so now let's do the fried beans. Yes. Okay guys, this is my fried beans. I'm gonna set this aside. Then we'll start the fry jack. If you guys from the other part of the Caribbean, we start the bake. Okay guys, let's start. They've been resting nice and beautiful. Nobody disturbed them. So okay guys, some part of Belize they call it fried cake, fried jack. It's the same thing across. Okay, my grandmother and my mom, we call it fried jack. Okay, first I'm gonna try them by just cutting each of these in half. Just there, there, and there. I had the rolling pin just in case I needed it. So let's go and fry. Okay, the oil should be hot. I had it on while I was rolling out that first one. So let's start frying. Okay guys. OMG guys, these looking so good. Oh my god, and smell good. Oh, can't wait to taste them. Okay guys, each of these roll that I'm doing here, looking at the 30th, it's considered one, so it's like one serving. I don't know to who, but hey. Okay guys, you can use the rolling pin if you need to. I didn't need to. Okay guys, my mom is waiting for her fried jack. Yes, we don't have it too often, but when we do, we make sure to enjoy it. Well, my mother makes sure to enjoy every bit of it. Ooh, yes guys, look at the first two. Mom, you want to try one? Darn, I didn't even finish the sentence. Sheesh. Alright then. My mom make it sound so painful guys. And I guess I need to say, foot no fail me now. Try this. Oh, you have your own plate? Lord Jesus, guys, you come with your own plate. Ooh, wee. Yes, Lord. Ooh, guys. Ah! Oh, my Lord, Cheerio, Lord. Oh, guys, this is our breakfast at home. Oh, my Lord. The girls. Oh, I know Brie and Kitten would love this right now. Ooh, yes. Okay guys, it's a snow day in New York, so my mom says it's nice to go outside and shovel snow and come inside and eat this. Listen to her with her bright ideas, huh? Ooh, guys, look at it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. All my Belizean families out there. Ooh, Lord guys. I know I just took you back a little bit now. I'm acting all gravelicious right now. Sorry. Minute, see, I'll give it two.
Yes, yes. Thank you, thank you.
Oh, guys, I wish if you could see my mother dancing on with her food. Oh, Lord. Where is my sister so she could record? Okay, guys, this is another way that we normally would cut it to. Oh, guys, my mom is going off with the beans and it. Oh, my Lord. Oh, Lord, guys. My mom been asking me to do this video for so long, guys. This video been begging. My mother been asking me, when are you gonna do a fried jack? One of the fried jack? Oh man. And the twist, guys, the twist with the chicken broth. Set it up a notch. My mother just keeps saying yes like the amen corner. She's the amen corner today, guys. Lord, guys, I took my mother all the way to Italy. Oh, sweet heavens. Guys, just look at this. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then nice and spongy. That one just get all twisted, don't want to move. Oh, spreading himself out itself. I want to have an attitude. Alright. Okay guys, this is the last two here. Please don't forget to subscribe. Tap that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Guys, you don't want to miss the other one either. No, trust me. And don't forget, guys, you can also share my videos with, family and friends. Share the video, share the video. And I'm looking for subscribers, guys. I'm not ashamed to beg for subscribers. No, And we're gonna enjoy breakfast. Oh yeah. Okay, guys, this is my last ones. And we're gonna have breakfast. See you guys in a few. See you guys in my next video. This is what they look like, guys. Nice and spongy, spongy, spongy. Okay, guys. My mom enjoyed her fried jack and her fried beans. Oh my God. She been waiting for... She said she waited for a whole year. I hope I didn't wait a whole year. Anyway, guys, it came out so good, so fluffy. Oh my God, it was awesome. Ooh. Yeah, it's not something we have too often, but of course, you have to go home sometimes. Yeah. So, if you try it, let me know, guys. Sometimes we have it with fish, with eggs, but this time we had it with some fried beans, some fresh red beans, fried beans. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Tap that bell so you're not missing off my videos, and you don't want to miss the other video. Have a good one, guys. Okay, guys, you can also follow me on my Instagram page and my Facebook page. Cross the board, Caribbeanj. I'll leave the info on the end of the video. Stay safe. God bless.